Today's video we are going to be unboxing the December BirchBox. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. So yeah, like I was saying, today's video we're going to be unboxing the December BirchBox. Yeah, let's just get straight in here. So without further ado, let's get this baby open. And if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. If you are interested in purchasing this box for yourself, it's £17. It went up last month. I don't know what I think about the price increase yet. So I think every month now they send you an email and you're allowed to choose 2 products in your box out of a certain amount of products, which I suppose is nice. But yeah, this is inside, and yeah, it just says, yeah, the December box is here. Has a little bit of information there as well, but yeah, we'll have a look at that in a minute. I'm going to move everything up so we can actually have a sneak peek. Here we go, a sneaky little peek. So just quickly back to the edit card. It has a little note there. It's just saying basically that, yeah, they've stuffed your box full of Christmas cheer. By the size of these products, they haven't really stuffed the box, but we'll get to that in a minute. And just wishing we a happy new year and all of that shebang. So I've noticed one problem straight away with the box, but again we'll get to that in just a moment. The first product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Vitamasques, and it is a Cisa green tea jelly cleanser. This jelly textured cleanser exfoliator hybrid is both gentle on the skin and removes build-up without stripping hydration. Its green tea and centilla static formula acts as an anti-inflammatory as well as hydrating moisturiser. And just to remind you as well, they don't do prices on what things cost in this, which I really like to be nosy at, but never mind. Okay, so yeah, I love Vitamasques. It's a very affordable brand. They do some amazing face masks. I've tried out a few and yeah, I've really loved them. Never tried that before, so yeah, love a good cleanser. And if it does everything it says, I'll be a very happy lady indeed. So yeah, this is like a little deluxe size and there's 30 mils in here. So product 2 is this. So this is by the brand Jekka Black and it's Glow Drops in the shade Champagne. Use this primer to prep and brighten your complexion for a glowing finish that helps your base stay longer. The buildable formula also works on top of makeup to add extra shimmer to your cheekbones. Wear it alone or wear it for a glowing no makeup look. We love double, triple even, beauty. Okay, yeah. These go around in the beauty boxes, in all the different beauty boxes that I unbox on my channel. I have received so many of these. I have about 5 or 6 of these in my drawer, so I'm a little bit sick of getting them. Fantastic brand, love the brand. They do some really nice makeup pieces, so I'm not having to go at that brand at all, but it would be nice to get some other products by the brand to try out. So yeah, not impressed with the product. Right, so the edit card has 3 items on, so I've just done 2 of them. This is the 3rd one, which unfortunately I don't have in my box, so I'm presuming it has 3 items on the edit card, and then when you get your email you choose 2, so they can't have those 2 products on the edit card because everyone can choose different and it will just be a total nightmare doing edit cards personally for each person. But I don't have this item in my box, which is a bit shite if I'm honest. It's supposed to be by the brand Love of Colour and it's supposed to be Luminous Lip Shine Trio. Do you ever really need an excuse to add more extra dazzle to your makeup routine? We didn't think so, which is why we keep these glistening lip toppers from BirchBox brand Love of Colour. Yeah, no. What did I get instead? I got this, a nail file. I received this already before BirchBox closed down last year. We all did who were subscribed. It's a glass nail file. Yes, it is very nice, it's alright, but it's not a lip trio, is it? It's a nail file. So they've obviously had surplus stock from before they closed last time and they're trying to get through it. I really would have preferred the lip trio, not a nail file that I've already got in my drawer already. Right, so now on to the 2 products that I've chosen. So the 4th product in the box is this. So this is by the brand Beauty Protector, and it's Protect and Detangle Leave-In Detangler. There's 30 mils in here, so we'll get a few tries out of it and see if we like it or not. For best results, apply to damp hair in style, do not rinse. Any other information on there? No, there is not. Okay, does that protect against heat? I'm hoping so. It doesn't say. But yeah, I chose that. I can't remember what the choices were, but for some reason I thought that would be the best one out of them, mainly because I like trying stuff on my hair. But yeah, we will see what that is like. I've never heard of that brand before. The 5th and final product in the box, again this is the 2nd product I've chosen, is this. So this is by the brand Percy and Reed London, and it's Up and Away Root Lift Mousse. It's a deluxe size at 50 mils in here. I have tried a hairspray from this brand, I've tried dry shampoo from this brand, I've tried a mousse from this brand, but I don't think I've tried the Root Lift Mousse. And again, I thought out of the bunch of the choices that I had, I thought this was the better one, mainly because I like the brand Percy and Reed. So yeah, this is what I chose. Let's have a look. Is your hair in need of a lift? This featherlight formula delivers a lasting lift for dramatic volume directly to the roots. Fine, limp, lackluster hair needs more support. Build body at the roots and the sky's the limit. Yeah, we'll have to give that a go and see what it's like, because sometimes my hair can be totally flat as a pancake and it needs a helping hand. So yeah, we'll see what it's like. Right guys, so this is the December BirchBox. What do you think? Personally, I'm a little bit disappointed in this month's box yet again. Let's just have a little recap and see what is what. And when I say a little bit disappointed, I'm just disappointed. So I am quite happy with the Root Lift mousse. That's not bad, and it's okay size for a deluxe product. That's okay. I am really annoyed that I didn't get the lip trio in my box and I got a nail file. What? Like, no. In fact, I think I've got 2 of these. And now I've got another one. Yeah. The Jacka Black Glow Drops, again, great brand, but I have literally like 5 or 6 of these in my drawer, because these go around in all of the beauty boxes that I unbox on my channel. These go around so much in there. It's a really nice product, it really is, but oh my goodness, it's too much. Like, I can only use so much of it, and I've got a 10-year supply of it now, you know. The vitamasques cleanser actually looks decent. It's not bad. It's small, really small. It's nice that it exfoliates as well, I suppose, and if you can keep your hydration, that's great. And then yeah, we have this. Yes, I did choose it. Like I said, I thought it was a better one out the bunch to choose from, but I didn't expect it to be this small. Like, what? It's absolutely tiny. It's 30 mils. So yeah, Protect and Detangle. Is that heat protection as well? I think it is, because why would it be protecting when you put it in your hair wet? Obviously you're gonna, or if you style your hair with heat, you're gonna do that. But £17. £17, and I got a mini mousse, an absolute tiny mini Protect and Detangle spray thing. Glow drops, which again, I've got loads. A small facial cleanser, and something that's not even supposed to be in my box, a nail file. It should be a lip trio. I know if I had prices for them products, it would add up to more than £17, but it's just disappointing. It doesn't feel like it's worth £17 to me, especially if you look at the other beauty boxes that I've unboxed this month. With the values that they've had, and then I've got this with them. Yeah, I'm gonna give this box a few more months and see what I think, but so far it's not looking good. It needs to book its ideas up, that's for sure. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.